an Edexcel paper from 2019 and it's mechanics. So at time t seconds, a particle moves, so it has a velocity of v meters per second to the minus 1. And this is what that is. When t equals 0, the position vector is this. Find the acceleration of p when t equals 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if I know that the speed or its velocity is this, then I can find out its acceleration by deriving something, by basically differentiating. So I can go dv over dt equals, and that will give us the acceleration, which is in meters per second to the minus 2. So that would be, get rid of that, so it's 6i, and then minus, and it would be 3 over 2 times 5, which is 15 over 2, and then t to the half j. And that's the meters per second that it's going when you've derived it. That's the acceleration of it. So now we just need to pop in 4. So when t equals 4, that means that 6i, and that's just a constant, minus, and now let's put the 4 in, so that's 15 over 2 times 4 to the power half, which is 2j, and that will equal 6i minus 2, so that's 15j. So our acceleration is this meters per second to the minus 2. Actually, that looks really bad. I'm just going to write that again. It's 6i minus 15j. There you go. Now, the second bit, find the position vector of p when t equals 4. So what we're going to do here is we have, so the position vector, well, we'll go back and we know v equals 6tj minus 5t3 over 2j. That's I even. Good Lord, I'm corking down. Anyway, so in order to find position, we need to integrate. So what we need to do is find out what the integral of 6ti minus 5t to the 3 2j is. But our other problem is that we then need to take away 20i plus 20j from our answer. So whatever the answer is, do we need to take away that? So the original position is that. Anyway, let's just integrate this and see. So we've got t squared, and then we've got to divide by 2, so that would be 3t squared I is 1, and then we've got to do minus, and this is, put that up to 5 over 2 and divide by 5 over 2, which is timesing by 2/5. So what is 5 times 2/5? That is 2. So 2t to the 5 2j. So that's our integral. And then if we pop in the 4, we get 3 times 4 squared I minus, and that would be 2 times 4 to the 5 2 seconds j. And then we've got to sort out the other bit after that. So that's 48i is the answer to that. And this one is going to be minus 64. So it's 2 to the half, rather 4 to the half is 2, 2 to the 5 is 32, so that's 64j. And now, in order to get that, we're going to end up going minus, is that going to be 28j? 28i even, because we've taken away the 20i. And then minus 64, so that's plus 20j, so that gives us minus 44j, and that is just meters. Right, that's how you do that one.